First, select a date and time from your calendar that works for you and your shopper. Now give the invite the descriptive title. Add the shopper's email address to the invite. And now add a link to the Google Hangouts video conferencing. This is built into Google Calendar. Add a meeting description for your shopper. In this case, we just copy and paste from a template. Save the meeting and send the invite to your shopper. This is a preview of the email the shopper receives. They can see the meeting details and RSVP to the meeting to confirm that they will attend. They can access a direct link to the Hangouts meeting with you. This helps you organize your virtual consultations and avoids double bookings.